Okay, today we're going to talk about this rear flare armor for the Jeep XJ from Rough Country. Let's take a look. If you take a look at one of my other videos, you will see that the great folks at Hook Road sent me this bumper. I have an installation video. I'll link it right up there. So anyway, it looks really good back here, in my opinion. But if you come around here, it is unfinished right here, and that's because I had to take off the plastic end caps there, and don't pay attention to this rust hole. All XJs do it. So we've got to somehow get a finished look right here. So the folks at Rough Country Suspension Systems make this this kit right here. So let's take a look and see what that does. So in the box, you're going to get some hardware. Put that here. You're going to get 2 of these armor flares, very beefy. And you'll get a set of directions. And always good to see made in USA. Okay, here is a layout of what you get. As you can see, these are different sides. You've got your hardware. This is the, they call them riv nut or rivet nuts, and there's your bolt that goes in there. And this is the installation tool they give you, but we're not going to use that. What we're going to do is we're going to use this Smitty-built riv nut insert tool. The instructions tell that you're going to need 2 drill bits, a 25/64, which is what we have right here, and a what is that? A 3/16, which is what we have right here. Okay, first thing the directions say to do is drill out using the 3/16 drill each of these rivets. So we have 3 of them right there. Going to spray a little lubricant to help cut these rivets out. And we start the drilling process. Okay, after we clean this up a little bit, we'll see. Looks like this vehicle was painted with that bracket on. Kind of weird. Okay, let's test fit this thing and see what it looks like here. Now, what the directions say to do is just line this up. You can see I put a little mark right there where I'm going to drill. Basically, it said just line this up, put some painter's tape if you don't want to scratch your paint. I'm not too worried about that. And then mark your hole. So that's what I just did. I'm going to start with the 3/16, make a little hole right here. Then I'll finish up with the 25/64 larger one. Okay, the 3/16 hole is drilled. Now I'm going to do the 25/64. Okay, I've got the 25/64 hole. The nutsert will fit in there, just like that. And the next thing I'm going to do is screw it onto my nutsert tool. I'll leave a link up here on how to use the nutsert tool. And then I just basically press it in and squeeze these together. And that is the finished product. These are the supplied little bolts that go in it, just like that. Okay, got the top row. This nutsert tool makes easy work of it. And that's what it looks like with all 6 of them. Okay, that's basically it. Pretty simple install job. It gives it a finished look with the Hook Road bumper. Again, these are from Rough Country, so they also give you a little protection down there. Okay, small recap. I use this nutsert installation tool by Smitty-built, but the unit actually comes with a little bolt. And there's some directions on here on how that works. You can look online and see how to put a nutsert in with these bolts. They actually sell that unit at Harbor Freight too, so it's not an expensive item. I would suggest go ahead and getting that if you're going to do any kind of nutsert work. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Again, this is about the Rough Country lower quarter panel. They call it the Fender Flare armor. So hopefully this helps you make an informed buying decision. Y'all have a great day.